In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create deep links in FlutterFlow. We'll start inside FlutterFlow by opening the project where you want deep linking to work. Once your project is open, head over to Settings and Integrations, then go into General, and from there open App Details. This is where FlutterFlow gives you access to the app level configuration you'll need before any links can properly route users to the right screen. Inside App Details, look for the Routing and Deep Linking section. This area controls how your app understands URLs and how it responds when someone opens a link tied to a specific page. Enable deep linking by checking the appropriate option and make a note of the base URL scheme that FlutterFlow provides. That scheme is important because it acts as the foundation for the links your app will recognize. While you're still in this section, also make sure pages are subroutes of root pages enabled. This setting helps with navigation behavior, especially when a user opens a deep link and then tries to go back. It creates a smoother and more natural back navigation experience instead of dropping users into a dead end. Next, go to the specific page you want the deep link to open. Select that page from the widget tree, then move to the Properties panel on the right side and find Root Settings. In that section, set the page URL to the path you want to use. This path becomes the readable part of the deep link, so it's a good idea to keep it clear and relevant to the page's purpose. Once the destination page is configured, select the Share button, or whichever element users will tap to send the link. Open the Action Flow editor for that element, and add the Generate Current Page Link action. This tells FlutterFlow to create a deep link for the exact page the user is currently viewing. After that, chain a share action right after it. For the value being shared, set the source to widget state, then choose Current Page Link. That way, when someone taps the share element, FlutterFlow first generates the correct deep link and then immediately passes that link into the share sheet. Finally, to handle incoming deep links properly, go to your app's initialization screen and use conditional actions to check for page parameters, such as something like a product identifier. This allows the app to read the data coming in from the link and decide where to send the user based on those parameters. And that's the full setup for creating deep links in FlutterFlow, from enabling the feature to generating shareable links and handling users who open them inside your app.